Hey there. Boy, this video is an exciting one. I am hoping to help you just jump and make your business go, way go. Extra money, extra income, and mainly extra profit, but also extra practice, because that's the idea, right? So I'm going to give you 5 tips to get you started. Because one of the things I am going to do with this YouTube video channel is create a coaching business for entertainment businesses just like you. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've coached a lot of entertainers. And so my goal is to coach you, right? I'm not talking about group coaching. I'm talking about one-on-one, looking at your specific business, your specific needs, your specific goals. And then I'll give you my best ideas on how to make those possible, how to manifest them. I have mentored a lot of people in this business and ran a bunch of businesses. And so I feel like I have some things to offer. So don't forget to subscribe, like, check the little bell to get notified, because trust me, the next few videos are going to rock. They're really powerful and a lot of fun. So without any further ado, let's get started on your tips for your balloon business. So the first tip with any of these entertainment skills is get paid to practice, right? Get paid to practice. And what I mean by that is you're not going to jump off at the highest pay level of your skills, right? And don't think you will. Just because you're picturing $50, $75, $100 an hour doesn't mean that that's the best thing to do right away. What I would suggest is you do some research in your industry, find out what people are charging, and charge just a little bit less, okay? Charge the lower amount, because in the beginning you want to work more for less. And the reason is you get paid to practice, okay? So one of the coaching things that I do is I suggest anybody in the balloon industry to find a regular gig, right? I worked 10, 15 years in restaurants, 5 nights a week, making balloons 5 nights a week. And when I started out, I was charging it was restaurant server rates, right? $2.35 an hour, I think. But I did work a deal where they paid for my balloons, okay? And so 5 nights a week, they paid for my balloons, and I went and worked, and I made tips. That's the idea. I made tips, and good tips, a lot of money. Paid for my children to grow up with that money. And but the main thing is I got paid to practice. It was automatic advertising, because everybody that took a card from me wasn't calling in around looking for somebody. They were looking for me, right? So paid to practice. You're doing automatic advertising, and the main thing is it's regular money, right? So I did restaurants, and if you join my coaching business, I will have a video on how to call the restaurants, what to say, how to set up a promo time, and how to run it, right? Because that is a great way for us to make money, and it's also great for the restaurant. So it works for your business and it works for them. Now, it's not $75 an hour, $100 an hour like people are charging at parties, but it is good, steady money that you can do year in and year out. I call it gas and electric money, right? When you're getting gas and electric money, you're getting paid to practice, okay? There are lots of other ways to get paid to practice. You can give a really good extra rate to preschools. You can set up a special thing at aftercare programs where you're giving them a really good rate. Once again, when you're talking to them or when you're advertising them, you're giving them the special rate, the special introductory rate. And you want to book a bunch of that. That's the idea. Book a bunch, not because you're trying to make a bunch of money, though that happens too. You're trying to get a lot of work. You're trying to generate a lot of clients. You're trying to generate a lot of practice where you're getting paid to practice. Does that make sense? Worst case scenario, I'm telling you, go find a line, right? Go find a line, go find a preschool, a playground. Go find something where lots of kids are hanging out. Set up a table, set with a sign that says free balloons, and another sign that says, yes, I accept tips. And go there and make balloons for free. Make them for free. Give them away. The idea is kind of like I'm doing with these videos. You give away good stuff, people will give you money back, right? They'll be appreciative. You're not trying to sell them anything, right? So that's literally what I'm trying to do here with these skills, is give you good stuff. So anyway, first rule of thumb, get paid to practice. I hope you got something out of this. I'm sure that you did. Go to my coaching site. Again, it's down in the link below. Subscribe, do the little button, and you'll get to see a bunch of new videos, because I'm doing more videos too about a bunch of new stuff, more skills and more business ideas. All right. Have a great day, and I wish you the best success in this crazy business.